guys, so welcome back to my channel. Yes, I don't know why I'm talking like that. Okay, that was annoying, but anyways, so today's video is a great video because I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a while now, but anyways, Jeffree Star launched on, well, now it was the Friday that just passed, and it's Thursday, the 17th, so it was the Friday that just passed. Anyways, he launched his Halloween collection. So he had some mystery boxes, some mirrors, some shirts, some other stuff. Not much makeup other than the mystery box. So today I have the premium mystery box. I did order the deluxe. I tried to get the Supreme, which I have a video coming about. Words. I have a video coming out about how that process went, of where I was like trying to purchase this during the launch. I don't purchase stuff during the launch unless it's a mystery box because it was a struggle. So anyways, I was trying to get the Supreme. I wasn't able to get the Supreme, but Dominique was. So we are going to unbox that on our channel, Tati X Domi. Maybe if this is like, I'll update it where it has the link below, whatever. But anyways, so yeah, we have the premium. I also got the deluxe, but that one hasn't came in yet. So we're gonna just go ahead and open this because I can't wait until the deluxe comes in. I don't even know when it's coming. It hasn't updated me on shipping information yet. So we're just gonna do this one because I need to know. So anyways, this was a $40 box. I forgot what they said the value of it is supposed to be. But I'll add up all the stuff at the end like I do with every mystery box with Dominique, to see how much I saved by purchasing this. I forgot how many products they said is going to come in this. So I don't know much information about it. You know what? Hold that thought. Okay, so here we are. So we got the premium, which contains 4 items. The deluxe, which contains 8 items. And then the Supreme, which contains 13 items. So this box is going to have 4 things in it. And then each box has like an exclusive mystery cosmetic item. So we'll see. I don't know if it's like that is included in the 4 items or what. So again, we shall see with that. Oh, they released October 13th. No, not October 13th. October 11th. Friday, October 11th. And so, yeah. It says that this is an $82 value. So, we're going to see. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now. And I'm going to open it because I'm tired of waiting. I'm going to try not to. My hair is in the way. I'm going to try not to look at what's inside. Okay, so it comes like every other mystery box with this paper. This time it's black. So we're gonna, okay, I'm just gonna reach in and pull out like the first thing I feel. Okay, so, oh god, please don't tell me this is what I think it is. Okay, so the first thing that I have here is this, and oh my god, are you serious? It is the mini breaker palette, which I already have. So yeah, there's this right here. So this I know is a good value because this is already, I think, like $25 or something like that. But it's his mini breaker eyeshadow palette. So kudos to this though. I have 2 of these now. Alright, so the next thing we have here is I have 3 lipsticks. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull those out. Alright, so we have a Halloween one, which I guess is the exclusive mystery one. And then we have this one. This is from his summer collection. Ooh, a lip ammo. So this is from this collection that just came out. And then we have this one, which I think is first class. I don't know what collection this is from, if this is from a collection. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Well, first I'm going to open this because, I mean, I must just show you what it looks like. I might have to give this to Dominique or something. I don't know. Or I'll give it to Natalie or Tara or somebody. So this is what this palette looks like. So it's the 9 shades, his first 9 shade palette. As I said, I do already have one of these. So, yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna go into the next liquid lip, which is First Class. We're gonna save the Halloween one for last. Okay, First Class. Ooh, it's like a shade that I've never would have like picked myself. So it's like a gold shade. I'm just gonna swatch it along my hand so that way we can see what it's like. I'm terrible at swatching. Hold on, I'm gonna do it this way and then well, this would be pretty as some eyeliner though. Yes, because all his products are eye safe. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. This little gold right here. Again, it's not a shade that I would use on my lips, but well, maybe for one of these videos to be funny because I'm using this one on my lips. But definitely an eyeliner. Okay, so then the next one is a lip ammo, and this is glazed. I don't know if it's like registering. Okay, anyways, it's called glazed. Ooh. All right. Oh, I just love this packaging, bro. Just look at this bullet. It's just so pretty. Ooh, okay. Oh, I think this is a lip topper. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay. So here that is swatched beside the gold. Can you tell? I don't even know if you can see this, but it's there. It's like a really sheer color. Let me do it on the back of my hand. Maybe you'll see it better. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. So there you go. It's a sheer color. And I think it is one of the lip toppers from this past summer collection. Okay. And then the last one is, ooh, Soul Sucker. Now this is a shade that I would definitely use. Okay, stop. You know what? I'm just gonna take it out because it ain't focusing. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so it's like this black color, I guess. It's like a dark color with some shimmer in it. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh yeah, I'm definitely wearing this soon. I don't know what I'm gonna be. Oh my God. So it's like a, I guess, black color with like some orange or gold specks. Hold on, I need to shine some light on this a little bit. Yeah, so it's like it's a black color or a dark color. I'm gonna say it's black, but it's not like pure black with like some orange or gold specks in it. I don't know if it's translating on camera, so I do apologize if you can't see it. But yeah, oh, I'm excited for that one. All right, so now it is time to calculate because these are the 4 products that I received in this mystery box. So I got the Jawbreaker mini palette or mini breaker palette. I got a lip ammo from his recent summer collection. I got a liquid lip from, I guess, his normal collection, and then the exclusive Halloween. So I know for a fact all the lip ammos and liquid lips are, ooh, I done blinded myself, are $18. But I don't know how much the mini breaker is. So I need to look that up. Okay, let's go to his eyeshadow palettes. Ice, baby. Okay, so this is, the mini breaker is $28. Okay, so let's add this up. So we got 28 plus 18. Well, hold on, we're gonna do 18 times 3 plus 28. 82 bucks. So it is definitely the 82 bucks for $40. So you save $42 I'll take it because, like I said, this makeup is expensive, but it's good. It's worth it. When I got mine, I only bought this one because they had a huge sale on eyeshadow palettes. And so, or was it the summer collection? Anyways, he had some kind of sale, and I got this on sale, and I got like a highlighter and the regular Jawbreaker. Well, then the liquid lips, I don't think he's had a sale on those recently, and they're 18 bucks a piece, so I haven't tried to buy one of those. So yeah, well, this has been an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween mystery box in the premium size, which is the smaller size again. I will be back when I have my deluxe box, and again, me and my best friend Dominique are going to unbox the Supreme box with the 13 items on our channel. So that's going to be exciting.